Welcome to this video on MuleSoft Online Training. MuleSoft is a leading integration and API management platform. It helps organizations seamlessly connect applications, data, and systems, integrating cloud-based and on-premise systems securely and flexibly. Why choose MuleSoft? It helps simplify integration, improve efficiency, and accelerate digital transformation for organizations and professionals alike. Key components of MuleSoft include the Runtime Manager for deployment and monitoring, the API Manager for API lifecycle management, and the Design Center for designing APIs and integration flows. MuleSoft provides significant benefits, such as faster integration delivery through pre-built connectors, enhanced scalability, and API reusability with API-led connectivity. Job roles include the MuleSoft Developer, who implements integration solutions using Mule applications and data weave. The Integration Developer focuses on connecting various enterprise systems and managing integrations. In conclusion, MuleSoft is a leading integration platform using the Anypoint platform. It promotes API-led connectivity, supporting hybrid architectures to accelerate innovation and reduce integration costs in the digital landscape. For more information, you can find our contact details on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.